in the West we may have plants and trees and vines and whatnot surrounding us in our house, our apartment, or whatever. We live in the country. We say, okay, there's this kind of plant and that kind of plant. But this verse will point out the speciality, this introduction of verse 14, Radharani Sudaniti. So when we see, if you have time sometimes, these behind me, this is Madhavi Lata, and this makes one of the walls of the kunja. And they have trees in four corners, and between the trees are latas and flowering bushes. And so this man-made or human person-made this is one wall of a kunj, this construction, and training the Madhavi to fill that whole thing. It's an udipan to remind me of the kunja lila, and it also smells very fragrant, Madhavi flower. So we'll hear about that. And they're all special. When we see them, we say, oh, that's a champak tree, that's a Madhavi, that's a kadamba, that's a tamal, that's a neem. All these trees we have here, kadamba tree, a neem tree, and tamal tree. And we think, oh, they're trees, we identify them if we know. But this verse will tell us these trees are special, they're part of the lila. They're part of the Madhurya lila. And we're not. We're far, far from Madhurya lila, but we're aspiring there. So this is, the title of the verse is, Vrindavan is Sri Radha's playground.